Joe Dispenza's powerful message is simple. You are the creator of your reality. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract everything they want in life while others struggle? Well, today, we're diving deep into a powerful mindset hack that can change your reality. We're going to learn from none other than Dr. Joe Dispenza, a renowned expert in the field of personal development, as he explains how to truly harness the power of the mind to manifest your desires. Stay tuned, because this method is something you can start using today to create the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine this. You wake up one morning feeling completely connected to the universe. You're not just awake physically, you're awake on a deeper level, mentally and emotionally. You feel confident, energized, and ready to take on the world. Now picture this. What if you could maintain that state of mind every single day and use it to attract whatever you want in life? Sounds impossible, right? But Dr. Joe Dispenza believes it's not only possible, it's within your reach. In his work, Joe Dispenza often talks about how the mind creates our reality. He explains that thoughts become things. This is because the brain doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you think about something, your brain starts to create a neural network that aligns with that thought. The more you think about it, the stronger the network becomes, and eventually, the universe responds. Joe teaches that to attract anything you want in life, whether it's health, wealth, or love, the first step is to change your thoughts and emotions. You can't keep thinking the same old thoughts and expect different results. Instead, Joe recommends creating new neural pathways by focusing on what you want, not what you don't want. It's about being in alignment with your desires, as if you already have them. This is the key to the law of attraction. You have to feel as though your desire has already been manifested. Now let's talk about Joe Dispenza's powerful mindset hack, the idea of living in the future instead of the present. In Joe's words, the moment you decide to create a new future, you have to step into the unknown. This means you must stop living in the past, with all of its habits, fears, and limitations. Instead, you must imagine the life you want, feel the emotions of that life, and live as if it's already happening. When you begin to focus on the future you want, your brain starts to create that new reality. But here's the twist. You can't just visualize it, you must feel it. It's the emotional energy you attach to the visualization that triggers the brain's ability to attract those things into your life. This is where the law of attraction comes into play. You need to feel the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude of having already received your desires. This mindset hack doesn't just work on a surface level, it changes your entire state of being. So how can you start applying this today? First, get clear on what you want. Imagine it vividly. See it, feel it, and believe it's already yours. Spend time every day in meditation or visualization, where you focus not just on the goal, but on how achieving it will make you feel. The more real you make the experience in your mind, the faster your subconscious mind will start aligning with your desires, and you'll begin to attract what you focus on. By changing your thoughts and emotions and truly living in the energy of your desires, you can attract anything you want in life. It's not magic, it's science. It's the way your brain works. So start today. Visualize your future, feel it, and let the universe respond. The life you want is closer than you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal development tips.